Hello viewers, you can see the one simple Python program, one library random pass length input, integer input, and you can see the one string format and join the simple of the uh, random and create a one simple password. In this video, we will targeting the create a password with Python base. We need to create simple program, take the length of the password and generate the random of the same length. Okay. In this video, I will walk you thought the right Python program to generate password. I hope you like this video. So let's start. First of all, I am opening my terminal. You can see the our Python program name is Python generate.password. Python generate.password. You can input your length, uh, 13. You can see the one password will be generate. If you also you can test it yourself, 14. You can see the generate. Feel free ask to your valuable question in the comment. So I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information updates.